It's important to check the engine oil level of your Toyota between services, especially when traveling long distances. Maintaining the correct oil level ensures that your Toyota will always have the best performance, fuel economy and lower emissions. To check the oil level of your Toyota, park the vehicle on level ground. After warming up the engine, turn it off and wait for at least 5 minutes. Open the hood and locate the dipstick, which is found on the side of the engine. Pull it out while holding a cloth or absorbent paper under the end. Wipe the dipstick clean and then reinsert it fully. Pull it out again and verify that the oil level is between the minimum and the maximum markings. If you need to top up, make sure to use the appropriate oil for your engine type. This information can be found in your Toyota owner's manual. Open the oil filler cap by turning it counterclockwise and place it outside the engine bay. Add about ½ liter of oil. Wait 30 seconds and repeat the dipstick test to check the level again. When you are finished, replace the oil filler cap by turning it clockwise. On newer Toyota models, a warning signal will appear if the oil pressure is too low. When you see this warning signal, you should stop the vehicle safely and contact your Toyota authorized repairer. Performing regular oil level checks will help avoid this situation. Toyota genuine engine oils are effective across a spectrum of weather conditions and a wide range of driving demands. They are specially formulated to lubricate, seal, cool, clean, and prevent rust. If you're not sure about topping up the engine oil yourself, visit your authorized Toyota repairer, who'll be happy to quickly perform a safety check. For all your maintenance needs, you'll receive expert assistance and the best possible care for your Toyota, ensuring that your driving experience remains safe and pleasurable.